Hello guys and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. Today I'm at my lake with my kids. I got little Jason over here, he just got done snorkeling. We got him some snorkeling kits and I'm gonna actually show you what they look like and how to put them on in case you guys do need them for your kids. We did it! So hold the snorkeling piece by your nose like this. Hold it with your hands. Okay, is that good? Is it on? You have to stick it on your face a little bit. Okay, now we need to... Is it comfortable? Okay. Look at me here. Then you have to put this snorkeling piece back on there. And snap it in. You can adjust it. Okay. You're doing it wrong. You have to bite down on that little teeth portion. Like this. Okay, close your teeth like this. Do like this. Just close it. Yeah, like this. Okay, now open up just a little bit. No. No, listen. Just close your teeth. Close them. Just let it in a little bit. Okay, let me look. Okay, you're kind of doing it. So you have to bite down on little plasticky things. Okay, Kevin, let me help you. Look, this is what come over here. So you're a little bit older, I could explain this to you. You push these down, these tabs, you have to remove your snorkeling piece. First you remove it. Can you put this on by yourself? We need help. Okay, come over here. Come closer. Okay, when I put this on your face, just hold on to the mask, okay? Can you hold on with your fingers? Adjust it. Adjust it where it's good for you. Is it comfortable? Okay, now we put it on your forehead. Does it feel comfortable or feel like it's gonna fall off? Do we need to make it tighter? Is it good? Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and adjust this piece here. Snap it in. And there you go. Hey guys, I just want to explain what the snorkeling kit comes with. So it comes with a bag like this, and inside we put all the plastics that it came with. So we got 2 snorkeling kits. That means we got 2 bags. Each kit came with a nose plug. So I don't know why would you need a nose plug, but you do have it in case you want to use it with something else. So, and of course we got earplugs. Here's a snorkeling type of clips. It is made out of plastic. In case it breaks or something, you have an extra one. So this is very nice of them to actually include these. So guys, if you want to get a snorkeling kit for your kids, take a look in the description below. I'm gonna actually put a link in there of the kit that we got for our kids. Now we got the color blue, but there was other options available. There's some black, there's black and yellow, there's a bunch of other colors. So choose what's right for you. There was actually a pink kit, only one left, but I don't need pink. So the blue ones, there's plenty of those. So that's what I got.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.